Is it time to buy or sell KULR Technology Group stock? In this video, we will explore KULR Technology Group in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 17th of June, 2025, and we are here to provide an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest insights. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 16th of May, 2025, our system has identified KULR Technology Group as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -7.94. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of 40.84%. This amounts to an average daily loss of 1.86% since it was marked as a strong sell candidate. The stock has broken the very wide and falling short-term trend downwards. Initially, a stronger rate of decline is indicated, but it is important to be cautious as false breaks and sell-offs may occur. Nevertheless, further declines appear likely, and any rebounds back to the breaking point, which is 85 cents, should be seen as a second chance to exit the position. According to the fan theory, 22 cents and 8 tenths may represent the new bottom line of the upcoming trend, although it is still too early to confirm this. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of nearly 20% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from about -10% to 56%. When considering the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 42%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 42% to nearly 946% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $1.08 and $7.92. Our latest daily update for KULR Technology Group features the headline, Significant Movements in KULR Technology Group Inc. Stock Price on Tuesday, fluctuating by 22.41% between high and low. The KULR Technology Group Inc. stock price decreased by 15.55% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 17th of June, 2025, dropping from 90 cents to 75.7 cents. This marks the fourth consecutive day of decline. Throughout the last trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 22.41%, with a low of 72.7 cents and a high of 89 cents. Over the past 10 days, the price has decreased in 6 of those days, totaling a decline of 34.16%. The trading volume also decreased on the last day, which interestingly is a positive indicator as volume typically aligns with stock movement. On the last day, trading volume fell by 54 million shares, with a total of 36 million shares being exchanged, amounting to approximately $27.38 million. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $5.49, while the lowest was 20 cents. Currently, the price sits 86.21%, or $4.73, below the 52-week high of $5.49, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. KULR Technology Group stock has faced significant turbulence recently, with a staggering 21.3% drop observed on June 16, 2025. This decline follows reports of disappointing first-quarter earnings that indicated both revenue and profitability fell short of expectations. Amidst this backdrop, the company also announced a reverse stock split, consolidating shares 1-for-8, effective June 23. Although reverse splits can be interpreted as a strategy to enhance share price by reducing the number of shares outstanding, they often carry mixed sentiment in the market. KULR's recent involvement in Bitcoin, having increased its holdings to 800 BTC, also raises concerns. While this could provide potential for growth in the burgeoning cryptocurrency market, questions linger about the true valuation given the company's previous revenue misses and its current trading premium compared to competitors. In the short term, investor sentiment is likely to remain bearish due to recent performance, including the stock's substantial drop on Monday and continuing volatility. However, the anticipated addition to the Russell 3000 index by June 30th offers a silver lining that could attract institutional investors, potentially stabilizing the stock over the long term. As market reactions unfold, stakeholders will be closely monitoring revenue growth and the broader impacts of KULR's strategic shifts in the coming months. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 19th of December, 2024, it was reported that Benchmark assigned KULR a buy rating along with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned KULR Technology Group stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for KULR Technology Group. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The stock of KULR Technology Group, Inc. is exhibiting sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, leading to a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general sell signal is present, indicated by the long-term average being above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $1.10 and $1.24. A breakout above either of these thresholds would trigger buy signals. A sell signal emerged from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by approximately 52.97%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is currently indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The trading volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk since volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots. A sell signal was observed 24 days ago. Bollinger. A buy signal emerged 2 days ago. Short-term moving average. A sell signal was recorded 4 days ago. Long-term moving average. A sell signal was noted 23 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 18 days ago. Looking at the 12-month chart reveals, the short moving average, a sell signal occurred 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, a sell signal was observed 59 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 68 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for KULR Technology Group. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume beneath today's level. Given the right conditions, the stock may experience significant decline in the coming days. This stock can exhibit considerable movement throughout the day, demonstrating high volatility. With a large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as high risk. In the previous day, the stock fluctuated by 163 thousandths between its high and low, amounting to a change of 22.41%. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 14.05%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for KULR Technology Group, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and could raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 11th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at a loss of 2 cents per share. It is crucial to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for KULR Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for KULR Technology Group is at 90 cents. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. there is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which indicates that the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for KULR Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 6th of June, 2025, Yamamoto J. Koichi engaged in an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock. On the 6th of June, 2025, Yamamoto J. Koichi again conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock. On the 6th of June, 2025, Schwartz Aaron Bai executed an insider purchase of 0 shares. On the 23rd of May, 2025, Mo Michael executed an insider sale of 92,448 shares of common stock. On the 31st of March, 2025, Cantor Sean conducted an insider sale of 99,857 shares of common stock. Based on the 73 most recent insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 63.105. In total, insiders acquired 21,844,801 shares and sold 9,420,584 shares over the last 73 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is KULR Technology Group stock a good buy? KULR Technology Group Inc. currently displays several negative indicators and is situated within a broad and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate that it will likely continue to perform poorly over the next several days or weeks, leading us to a negative assessment of this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 18th of June, we expect KULR Technology Group to open higher by approximately 3.4 cents, starting at a price of about 79.1 cents. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.